8 Secrets about Bentley You Never Knew. Bentley is one of the most famous brands in the world, and for good reason. Not only does it make some of the best luxury cars in the world, but it also has deep roots with auto racing and design that go back over 100 years. Here are 8 secrets about Bentley you may not have known before. Bentley is well known for manufacturing luxury automobiles, and they have built cars at their Crewe Works plant since 1919. Bentley was originally a coach builder to the elite, so during World War II, it converted its production to military vehicles, including the design and production of Rolls-Royce armored cars. The Bentley is able to go faster than top speeds of 170 miles per hour with rocketing acceleration that gets you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The Bentley Continental GT has a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine that is capable of producing 530 horsepower and 664 pounds-to-foot of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.77 seconds and has a top speed of 200 miles per hour. The Bentley Continental GT offers its occupants 23 cubic feet of passenger space and 48 cubic feet of cargo space. Doors and seats. The iconic Bentley Mulsanne has room for 6 passengers, with the rear seat able to be optioned in either a 3-person bench or a 2-person 50-50 split. At the push of a button, front and rear doors on either side of the car can be remotely unlocked by an owner's smartphone to allow for easy access when pulling up to valet. Grille Mirrors. Every Bentley car is unique. It's not just the use of premium materials or its impeccable attention to detail, the custom features make it truly stand out from any other vehicle on the road. This may be part of what makes each one so special, but there are some things that you may not know about your own Bentley. Take a look at these lesser-known facts about our flagship luxury cars. 1. All Bentleys were originally built for comfort and style as well as high performance. Roofline Windows. Bentley offers 9 different styles of car roofs, 4 styles of rear roofline, and 3 types of bodyside windows. The largest volume seller in their lineup is the Continental GT with its panoramic glass roof. Headlights and tail lights. No surprise that your headlights are one of the most important parts of your car. But did you know that you're required to replace them every 3 years? And that taillights should be replaced every 6 months? This isn't just so you can see at night, but so people can see you. Make sure to take care of all those basic needs before any major expenses arise. Steering wheel, pedals, shifter, dashboard and buttons. Bentley offers a variety of models to suit different preferences and styles. The Bentley Continental GT, for example, has a V8 twin-turbo engine and offers Bentley's latest navigation system. Air conditioning. The cars are equipped with one button called the comfort setting, which allows you to cool or heat your car depending on what season it is. The heating and cooling system works by recycling the air from outside, circulating it through an in-car radiator and blowing it into the cabin. They are also equipped with a nighttime mode for sleeping time, which shuts off the fan to allow quiet, comfortable slumber. We appreciate you taking some of your valuable time to visit with us today. We are overjoyed that you did. Please hit the bell symbol to make sure you never miss an upload if you liked this one, and don't forget to subscribe if you did.